So we're here in Hastings at the 4 Down warehouse at the moment. Sat in the shop earlier this week and James phoned me up to see if I wanted to come and hang out for a couple of days in Hastings, which it's always fun hanging out with him, so I thought I'd make the trip. Over the last month or so it was like 0 degrees or lower. It's just been raining the whole time. I'm sure everyone can appreciate how hard it is to get out and ride when the weather's like this especially. So we thought, you know, just try and beat the weather really. Typically, me and Coxie looking around the shop, ended up both buying a skateboard deck each. That's what you do in the rain when you're stuck in a shop and nothing to do. If I could be anywhere right now, I'd say I'd like to be in Long Beach, but yeah, not allowed in that country at the moment, so that's not going to happen, but hopefully soon.